Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning my dear students. Today we are going to learn about l'interrogation. L'interrogation means interrogation. What do you mean about interrogation? Interrogation means questioning. Interrogation means questioning sentence. In French we have three forms of interrogation. One it is intonation, intonation, esque form, inversion, inversion, intonation, esque, inversion. First one, intonation. Intonation means intonation. Intonation means an affirmative or negative sentence change as intonation by raising its tone or voice modulation. A sentence, a normal sentence, it may be a positive sentence or negative sentence. When you change the voice modulation or raising your tone, you will form it as a questioning sentence. That is called intonation. Example, look at the example. Subject plus verb plus object or complement. For normal sentence, affirmative sentence, we have subject, verb, object or complement. With that, if you have a question mark, it will be a questioning sentence. It will be a questioning sentence. Here in intonation, only with the help of voice modulation, we make affirmative sentence as a intonation sentence. Vous parlez français. Still, vous parlez, it will be a normal sentence. Français, the tone will be raised up. So, it is intonation. By intonation, by voice modulation, you change affirmative sentence as a intonation sentence, questioning sentence. A next example it is in negation. Negative sentence. How to make a question negative? Subject plus no plus verb plus pas plus object or complement. Next it will be a question tag. Now see, your subject it is O. Vous ne parlez pas français. You don't speak French. Vous ne parlez pas français. You don't speak French. As we make negative sentence, in questioning also same model only. Vous ne parlez pas. You don't speak French, français. So it will be vous ne parlez pas français. By here also, by raising the tone, the intonation question will be formed. Next one it is esque formation. In affirmative sentence or a negative sentence, if you are adding a word esque before the sentence, it will be an esque formation. Esque means when the question is formal, or if you want to question for the elder person or a formal question or a polite manner or respect manner, you will use this esque before the sentence. Look at the example. Est-ce qu'il regarde la télé? Est-ce qu'il regarde la télé? That means, do he watches the television? Did he or does he? Before subject, verb, object or complement. With the normal sentence, if you had esque before the sentence, it will be a esque formation. Example for negative sentence. Est-ce qu'elle ne regarde pas la télé? Est-ce qu'elle ne regarde pas la télé? Est-ce que vous ne regardez pas la télé? Here also, before a negative sentence, if you add esque, it is also esque formation. You can see a difference. First one it is escale. There will be hyphen, escale. Second sentence, esque vous. Why we put escale with hyphen? Because it is a vowel. The starting al, it is a vowel. So, you have to put there esque apostrophe. A will be silent there. Escales. You have to join and tell. Next one it is inversion, inversion. Changing the place of verb and pronoun. Mostly the sentence pattern will be subject, verb, object. If you want to change the place of subject and verb, that is called inversion, inverting na changing. With hyphen mark, we have to put hyphen mark because we are changing the place of the order in a normal sentence. So it will be with hyphen mark in between verb and subject. Verb hyphen subject plus object or complement. See the example. Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? Parler hyphen vous, because verb comes first, subject comes second. So there will be hyphen in between parler and vous. Parlez-vous anglais? Next sentence it is parle-t-il anglais? Parle-t-il anglais? Why I put T in between parle and il? Because parle and il as vowel. The parle has vowel at last and il has the vowel at first. Two vowels doesn't meet each other. So we have to put T in between verb and subject. So it is parle-t-il anglais. You have to put T in between verb and subject. See a negative sentence in a inversion. Ne, verb, hyphen, subject, pas, object or complement. Always ne comes before verb. So here it should be ne verb. And next it will be not pa. You should not put pa next to the verb because we didn't say about the subject. So here it comes hyphen subject, then only pa. Ne verb hyphen subject pa, and then only object or complement. Ne parle-t-il pas anglais? Ne parle-t-il pas anglais? I hope you understand this formation of interrogation. First one, it is intonation, estchic, inversion. Intonation, estchic, inversion. First, intonation. In affirmative sentence, if you add a question mark and if you want to change a voice modulation, it will be a intonation sentence. Next one, negative also same. In a negative sentence, if you add a question mark, it will be negative intonation. Next one, it is estchic formation. Estchic formation with affirmative and negative sentence, if you add estchic before the sentence, it is a estchic formation. Third one, it is inversion. Changing place of subject and verb with the hyphen mark, it is a inversion. Inversion. Verb hyphen subject, object or complement, question mark. Negative sentence, ne verb hyphen subject, pa object or complement.